Hey idiots, it's us, the hot ones. Yes. Hello, but on a real note, I would like to thank you to our fans for giving us the opportunities we have. You guys are so amazing and I love every single one of you. How does Tihan feel about Yeonbin? Yeonbin. Oh my god, why would you ask this? Yeah, no, it's cool. You two would make a great couple if it weren't for me. You see, me and Soobin are meant to be. We're both charming and handsome. Haha, that's funny because I thought me and Soobin were together. Everyone shut up, just feed the dogs. Okay, I got a slice of water. You complete idiot, that's a fucking toy. We all know Kai is a suck up for Jin. Not really a question, but yes. You can shut up. Ha ha ha. Yay dude, I told you me and Soobin are actually a thing.